Hello everyone, welcome to the level 2 robotics. So this level is all about the wireless robots. As you can see in the first slide, you will get a basic glimpse exactly what is different levels, uh, uh, what is the different wireless devices that are available in the market, and how you can use those devices in your robotic systems. So I would like to explain the first one, that is the RF uh, wireless protocol, which is based on amplitude shift key. So you can get this around like 250 to 500 rupees, and it's pretty basic. It has 8 bit of addressing, so you can add like 2 raised to 8 devices with this module. But my personal opinion is that it has a lot of noise, and it get interfere with the other modules. So it's good for like beginning, but if you want some like professional work, then you have to shift from RF to the Bluetooth or any other different mediums. So if I want to tell about the Bluetooth is very much secured. It's encrypted, and multiple robots can work with the Bluetooth, so that it do not require any kind of feedback or anything like that. You just have to configure your module with your cell phone or with your laptop, and you can ready to drive your robot. So that is a Bluetooth. And next one is the NRF module. NRF is work on like RF, but it has like 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, and it has like different piping systems, piping protocol, so by which you can use this in your systems, and you can configure multiple modules with different multiple different modules. So that, let's consider a scenario. If you want to run your robot with like more than one robot with a single transmitter, so these type of system that you can implement in your NRF system. But this kind of system you cannot implement in the Bluetooth, because it's just a one-to-one protocol. But NRF is like single master multiple slave, or else multiple master single slave. So you can use that specific thing into the NRF module. The next one is Zigbee. Zigbee it's kind of RF. It has very bigger range, like 1 kilometer is ideal range for Zigbee. It has 10 bit of addressing, so that 2 raised to 10, like 1024 devices that you can connect with Zigbee. So you can use, and the center one is a ESP module. So ESP is especially for like network based protocol, so that you can drive your robot or any robotic systems with the internet. You just required is like, you just need a basic internet in your in the area, then your robot is ready to drive. So every module has their own pros and cons, and you can decide as per your application exactly what you want to do. If you want, if your application, if your robotics application has internet into it, then you can go for like ESP. But if you want something like multiple slaves or multiple master systems, then go for like NRF. But if you want a bigger range, then try for like Zigbee. But if you want a secure communication with your one-to-one robotic systems, then go for like Bluetooth. But if you are beginner and if you just want to test like RF protocol, then just go for like RF ASK module. So these are the basic things that you have to take care when you are in a level 2 robotic stage. So wireless modules, as you can see, this block diagram is continuously updating uh, as your difficulty level increases. So on a very left hand, you can see a human input. Human input is nothing but like your basic understanding exactly what you want to do. You want to move your robot forward, reverse, left, right, whatever you want to do. As per that situation, you can press respective switches on your remote, and that input is received by this transmitter module. And obviously it receives some power from battery or from like USB or from any power source. Then wirelessly it will transfer that signal to the receiver. Receiver will decode that signal, and respective motion will be take place by this robotic block. So this is entire red block is a robotic block. It has motor controller and motors, so it will drive the motors according to received command. So it's pretty basic. You can use any wireless transfer protocol. There are multiple available as I said in the last slide, so you can use any one of that. So what you can learn from this specific stage. So first one is you will understand what is communication protocol and which communication is better for your application. It's not like Bluetooth is better or ESP is better, but it everything is depending on exactly what you want and what you want to do with your systems. So that is the basic communication protocol that you will going to learn from this stage. Second one is power system development. So in this stage you have to make your robot very modular, because if you see all the four blocks in which a robot is an independent unit which receive power from the battery, and your transmitter is independent unit. So what you have to do is that you have to make power systems. So you have to design power system like you can use a 9-volt battery or 12-volt battery. You have to step down 9-volt to the 5-volt or 3.3-volt and provide that supply to your wireless modules, and you can provide directly 9-volt to your motor. So you have to manage all these small power related applications, and that is nothing but power system development. Third one is a motor drive system. Motor drive include motor drivers. Motor drivers consist of like edge bridge circuits which you can implement by yourself, or else you can buy directly ready-made ICs or modules. You can use that ready-made modules. So you'll understand exactly how that motor driver will work in these specific levels. Third, if your robot is more intelligent, then you can get a basic idea of the microcontroller, because some modules require microcontroller like ESP, and Bluetooth require microcontroller. I think NRF and that also required microcontroller, but your RF do not require any microcontroller ASK module. So that is a basic understanding of microcontrollers. So as the levels increase, so your difficulty level will be increases. So that's all for this wireless robots. If you have any query about this video, so you can comment below. Thanks for the watching. Wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye.